I am here at 43 Halcyon Street. This is a block of land for sale with a whole lot of extras. So it does have a current building permit and plumbing permit. On a great street on Lamb Island with quite nice houses in the area, newly built. Just a couple of minutes walk to Ian Ward Park, down that way, the waterfront park. So the block of land does already have a septic system installed, an AES system. Expect to spend about $12,000 to $15,000 on a septic system if you need to put one in. It has got a building approval for a 2-bedroom house, and it has already had the pad cut for it here. This is where the carport was planned to go, at the front of the property. And there is also a meter box, so there is power to the block already. Here has been surveyed, has sea views through there, see the water, and I'm just standing at the top here. You can see Stratty also in the distance. The land size is 610 square meters. It does have a gentle slope to it, nothing too crazy. This is the septic tank here. AES system, really good system, doesn't need servicing. It's a gravity system. Here is the pad cut for the house. And there is a shed as well on a slab which has power to it. So very handy if you want to store building materials, or if you own a building and you want to live on site with a temporary home permit. Everything's here apart from the water connection, but that can easily be put in. So if you'd like to learn more about this block, feel free to contact me, Kat from Redlands Coast Realty on Lamb Island. I'm happy to pick you up from the ferry. It's a bit of a windy day today, so sorry if the sound quality is not so great. We'll hear from you soon. Thanks. Bye.